Welcome to a world where power reigns supreme, where massive machines flex their might, and where chaos and precision go hand in hand. If you've ever found yourself mesmerized by the sheer brute force of industrial giants, then buckle up because we're about to take you on an adrenaline-fueled journey through the realm of monstrous machines. From colossal trucks to log-chomping beasts, this is where metal meets muscle in the most jaw-dropping way. Get ready for an all-out mechanical showdown. The tree that fought back. Ever seen a tree with a rebellious streak? One unfortunate logger sure did. Just as they were about to insert the wedge to guide its fall, the trunk decided it had other plans. Instead of toppling over obediently, it split vertically like it was executing a perfectly timed act of defiance. Down it came, faster than an internet conspiracy theory, with enough force to send hearts racing. To make matters worse, the so-called safety notch, intended to control the fall, proved about as effective as a chocolate teapot. Fortunately, no one got turned into a pancake that day. Mother Nature won, humans 0. Unleashing the power beasts. Hold on to your hard hats, folks. It's time for some serious horsepower. Meet Koga and Vincent Kuchar, two experts ready to push their monstrous trucks to their limits in a head-to-head contest. These machines aren't just big. They're absolute brutes, engines howling like an army of kettles on the verge of explosion. Who's got what it takes to dominate this mechanical battlefield? Spoiler alert, it's going to be loud, dirty, and absolutely epic. The art of effortless stump removal. Who needs brute force when you've got brains and physics on your side? With a high mechanical advantage rigging system and an 18-horsepower tractor, stump removal turns into a magic trick. What looks like an impossible task is reduced to a display of effortless precision. Watching this setup in action is strangely satisfying, like peeling off a sticker perfectly in one go. And just like that, the stump is gone. No sweat, no struggle, just pure mechanical elegance. The logging truck dilemma. A marvel and a nightmare. Have you ever driven past one of those logging trucks, utterly awestruck by the sheer mass of trees it's hauling? And then, in the same breath, felt an icy chill run down your spine at the thought of one of those beams snapping mid-journey? Yeah, it's same here. But let's take a moment to admire the raw power of the logging cranes effortlessly tossing around massive tree trunks like toothpicks. It's a mesmerizing dance of engineering and brute force until, of course, things go south. When things go wrong, and they will. Speaking of things going south, remember that logging truck we were admiring? Well, let's just say accidents happen. Sometimes even the most meticulously secured loads decide to defy gravity. And when they do, it's a spectacle you wouldn't want to witness from the driver's seat. Let's just be thankful for safety measures, and maybe keep a good distance from these behemoths on the highway. The legendary Desi tractor takes on a river. Now let's talk about the Desi H1140T whole tractor, a beast known for its rugged reliability. Picture this. A massive, fully loaded tractor, staring down a river crossing with the confidence of an action hero about to pull off an impossible stunt. Will it make it across unscathed? Absolutely. Smooth as butter. Watching it glide through treacherous waters with ease is oddly soothing, like watching a hot knife slice through butter. Mulching magic, the ultimate quick fix. What's better than cutting down a tree? Turning it into sawdust in seconds. Enter the ultimate mulching machine, a beast of engineering that devours towering trees with hypnotic efficiency. Armed with razor-sharp blades and a monstrous motor, it shreds logs that would take hours to chop manually, leaving behind a neat pile of mulch. But it's not just destruction, it's eco-friendly innovation. Instead of burning or dumping logs, these machines repurpose them into nutrient-rich mulch for landscaping, erosion control, and biomass fuel. Watching one in action is oddly satisfying. The rhythmic hum, the effortless grinding, and the soft cascade of sawdust. If only cleaning up after a party was this easy. Raw power meets sustainability. Now that's mulching magic. The TT4, a monster in the snow. Next up, we've got the TT4, a machine that laughs in the face of heavy loads and treacherous conditions. Snow? No problem. Rocky terrain? barely notices. This powerhouse doesn't flinch, it just keeps moving forward, dominating everything in its path. It's like watching a bodybuilder carry groceries effortlessly while the rest of us struggle with a single bag. Three-wheeled circus act or engineering marvel. Ever seen a three-wheeled cane loader? At first glance, it looks like something straight out of a circus act, wobbling on three wheels as if it's about to tip over. But don't be fooled, this machine is a masterclass in engineering. Its unique design isn't a gimmick. It's a game-changer for maneuverability in tight, cluttered spaces where traditional four-wheel loaders would struggle. With precision akin to a gymnast, it effortlessly weaves through narrow lanes, lifting heavy loads with a surprising level of stability. The three-wheel design might seem counterintuitive, but it provides unmatched agility, making it perfect for industries where efficiency and flexibility matter. Sometimes the most unconventional designs turn out to be the most brilliant. The unforgiving weight of a fallen tree. Think a fallen tree is harmless. Think again. These towering giants may look peaceful on the ground, but their sheer weight can turn even the toughest operators into nervous wrecks. A single miscalculation can lead to disaster, with thousands of pounds of wood ready to crush anything in its path. For seasoned loggers, though, this is just another day at work. They navigate these high-risk environments with unwavering precision, knowing that one wrong move could spell catastrophe. Split-second decisions, years of experience, and sheer grit, that's what keeps them safe. Their courage, skill, and ability to tame these wooden beasts are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Taming the century-old titan. Imagine standing before a massive bur oak tree, one that has stood tall for centuries, silently witnessing history unfold. This isn't just any tree, it's a living relic, a towering testament to time. But now, the challenge is to bring it down without modern machinery, relying solely on old-school techniques, raw strength, and sheer determination. As the final cuts are made, tension fills the air. The creaking begins, the branches tremble, and then with a deafening crack it starts to fall. It's a moment of both triumph and terror, a battle of man versus nature, fought with skill and respect. If you've ever doubted the power of traditional logging, this spectacle will change your mind forever. Engineering excellence. The Pato PTH 14,000 all-road. Time to bring out the big guns. The Pato PTH 14,000 all-road is a marvel of modern engineering. With a 700 horsepower Volvo engine, it chews through logs like a hungry beast, processing an insane amount of wood per hour. This is efficiency at its finest. No wasted time, no wasted movement, just pure mechanical dominance. Meet the Black Splitter, the ultimate log destroyer. When it comes to log splitting, nothing comes close to the Black Splitter's 2x800. It doesn't just split logs, it demolishes them. Stubborn, gnarled wood? This beast laughs in the face of resistance, turning even the toughest logs into firewood in seconds. This is the lumberjack's dream tool, powerful, relentless, and just a little terrifying. The Dipper Fox Stump Grinder. Overkill? Maybe. Satisfying? Absolutely. If you've ever struggled with stubborn roots, meet your new best friend. The Dipper Fox SC850 Pro doesn't just remove stumps, it obliterates them. Watching this machine in action is almost hypnotic, as it grinds through wood with relentless efficiency. It's pure mechanical therapy for anyone who's ever battled a stubborn tree stump. Machines that do it all. From tree harvesters that work with surgical precision to advanced sawmills that optimize every last inch of wood, the logging industry is evolving at an incredible pace. Today's machines aren't just about brute strength. They're about efficiency, sustainability, and maximizing output. The future is here, and it's one giant, roaring, sawdust-spitting masterpiece. And there you have it, a wild ride through the world of mighty machines. If you love the thrill of seeing these mechanical beasts in action, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more power-packed content, and ring the bell to never miss an update. See you next time for another dose of mechanical madness.